Jai Hind everybody. So today I am taking the problems from exercise 13.6 and this is question number 5. It costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. किसी जो है सिलेंड्रिकल वेसल के कर्व सरफेस एरिया को पेंट करने की जो कॉस्ट है वो 2200 है. यानी यू आर गिवन टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग इनर CSA ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल वेसल इज रुपीज 2200. ओके. इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग इज एट द रेट ऑफ 20 पर मीटर स्क्वायर, रेट ऑफ पेंटिंग पर मीटर स्क्वायर यानी 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट कितनी है? ₹20. तो क्वेश्चन इज दिस, द फर्स्ट पार्ट, फाइंड द इनर कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द वेसल. देखिए इनर कर्व सरफेस एरिया को पेंट करने की जो टोटल कॉस्ट है वो है 2200 एंड रेट ऑफ पेंटिंग ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर, और 1 मीटर स्क्वायर को पेंट करने का जो रेट है वो है 20 रुपये. तो क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द इनर CSA ऑफ द वेसल. तो इनर CSA ऑफ द वेसल क्या होगा? जो आपका टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग होगा, अगर हम उसको जो है 1 मीटर स्क्वायर के रेट से डिवाइड कर दें तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? वो टोटल एरिया मिल जाएगा, वो टोटल इनर CSA मिल जाएगा जिस पे कि पेंट हुआ है. तो व्हाट विल बी द इनर CSA ऑफ द वेसल? दैट विल बी 2200 अपॉन 20. व्हेन यू विल डिवाइड you will get 110 meter square. Second part is find the radius of the vase, and it is also given that कि it costs 2200 to paint the inner CSA of a vessel 10 meter deep. और जो वेसल है वो कितना डीप है, कितना गहरा है? 10 मीटर. यानी हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंड्रिकल वेसल इज गिवन 10 मीटर. आपको निकालनी है इस पार्ट में इसकी रेडियस. तो लेट आर विद द रेडियस ऑफ द बेस. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन व्हाट विल बी द इनर CSA? द इनर CSA विल बी गिवन बाय 2 पाई RH, और वो जो इनर CSA है वो है आपका 110 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो नाउ पुट द वैल्यू. 2 पाई मीन्स 22/7 इंटू R इंटू H इज 10. दिस विल बी इज इक्वल टू 110. R की वैल्यू निकालनी है तो ये 7 जो है राइट हैंड में जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. तो 110 इंटू 7 डिवाइडेड बाई दिस 2 इंटू 22 इंटू 10. ओके. नाउ this 0 to this 0 is cancelled. Here we will left 11 into 7 and here 2 into 22. Again this 11 1 the 11 11 2 the 22. So here will become 7 1 the 7 and 2 into 2. Okay, 7 upon 4. When you will divide, will get 1.75 meter. So what is the radius, base radius of the cylindrical vessel? That is 1.75 meter, or you can write 7 upon 4 meter. The question third is find the capacity of the vessel. For finding the capacity of the vessel, first we will find the volume of the cylindrical vessel. So now the capacity of the vessel, that is pi R square H. Pi is 22/7, R is here 7/4. You can use 1.75 R square, 7/4 square into H is given 10 meter. Now just open it. 22/7 into 7/4 into 7/4 into 10. Is it okay? Now just look here. This 7 and this 7 is cancelled. You will left 22 into 7 into 10, and in the denominator 4 into 4. 4 into 4 again. Thus 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 2 into 11. 11 into 7 into 5 upon 2 into 2. That is 11 7 is 77 into 5 upon 4. When you will divide this 5 by 4, you will get 1.25. So that is 77 into 1.25. Just see the multiplication of these two here. 7 5 जा 35, 7 into 14 or 17, and this is 875. Again 875 will be there when we will add them. 5, 7 5 12, 15 and 1 16, 8 9625. So when you will multiply this, you will get 9625, and the decimal is here. So 96.25 meter cube. So what will be the volume of the cylindrical vessel? That is 96.25 meter cube. ये volume है. Now we know कि since 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube में कितना होते हैं आपके 1000 लीटर, and this 1000 liter means 1 kiloliter. तो 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, which is equal to 1 kiloliter. So we can write this 96.25 meter cube is equal to 96.25 kiloliter. So what is the capacity of the vessel? That is 96.25 kiloliter. Is it okay? Now this is question number 6. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liter. You are given the height of the cylindrical vessel which is closed, that is h is equal to 1 meter. Okay. The question is this, how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? कहता है कितना स्क्वायर मीटर जो है मेटल सीट लगेगा इसको बनाने में, इस क्लोज सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक को बनाने में. द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द सिलेंड्रिकल वेसल इज गिवन 15.4 लीटर. 15.4 लीटर. अभी हमने यहाँ पे बताया है कि 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1000 लीटर. इट मीन्स 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Therefore 1 liter will be equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. So therefore the volume of the vessel will be 1 upon 1000 into this 15.4. So when you will remove this decimal, 1 0 will placed here. So 154 upon 10,000 meter cube. So what is the volume of the cylindrical vessel? That is 154 upon 10,000 meter cube. Now first let the radius of the cylindrical vessel is r. उसकी रेडियस कितनी ले ली हमने? r. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन वॉल्यूम विल बी पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, एंड दिस इज गिवन 154 अपॉन 10,000. देयरफॉर आर स्क्वायर विल बी गिवन बाय 154 upon 10,000, and these two, pi and h, they are multiplying in the left hand side, then they will move to the right side, they will divide. So divided by pi into h. Now put all the values. R square will be 154 upon 10,000 divided by pi means 22 upon 7, and the height h, that is given 1 meter. It means 157. This symbol will be changed into the multiplication, and this will become 7 upon 22. So 154 into 7 divided by 10,000 into 22. This means r square is 154 into 7 divided by 10,000 into 22. Now just look here, 22 into 7, 154. So this will become 7 into 7 upon 10,000. Any r square is how much? 7 into 7 upon 10,000. Therefore r will be square root of 7 into 7 upon 10,000. When you will take the square root, you will get 7 upon 100, which is 0.07 meter. Therefore what is the base radius of the cylindrical vessel? That is 0.07 meter. Question was this, कि how many square meter metal sheet is required to make this closed cylindrical tank. अब मैंने closed cylindrical tank बनाना है, ये है, this is the closed cylindrical tank. तो closed cylindrical tank में क्या क्या हो जाएगा मेरा, ये सारे बेस भी मेरे को इसके साथ ऐड करने पड़ेंगे. दिस bottom and this top जो circular base है, that will be added with what? Curved surface area. Is it okay? This is the closed cylindrical tank. So what will be the metal sheet required to make the closed cylindrical tank? That is total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder, which is given by 2 pi r into inside the bracket h plus r. Just put all the values. 2 into pi means 22 upon 7. R is given 0.07 and inside the bracket H was 1 and R was 0.07. So just look here, 7 into 1, 0.01 will become here 2 into 22 into 0.01 and 1 plus 0.07 will become 1.07. Now 22 into 4 is 44 into 0.01 into 1.07. When you will multiply these two, 44 into 0.01, you will get 0.44 into 1.07. Now just look at the calculation. 4 7 जा 28, ठीक है, 4 1 जा 4, again 4 28 will there, add them, 8 8 to 10, 4 to 6 and 1 7, 4 7 0 8, 4 7 0 8. Now just look at the decimal places. 2 decimal places are here and 2 are here. So it will become 0.4708 meter square. So this much metal sheet required to make the closed cylindrical tank. How much? 0.4708 meter square. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.